Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a classic car fan or just someone who loves the idea of cruising with the top down and the wind in your hair, then today's video is for you. We're talking about something you might have seen floating around YouTube, the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. Now, before you get too excited, let me stop you right there, because here's the truth. It probably doesn't exist. But that hasn't stopped people from dreaming, speculating, and creating some seriously cool renderings of what it could look like. So today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the 2026 Chevrolet Impala Convertible, including why it's more fantasy than reality. Let's go! First things first. As of June 2025, Chevrolet has not announced any plans for a 2026 Impala, convertible or otherwise. In fact, the last production version of the Chevrolet Impala rolled off the line back in 2020, when the sedan was officially discontinued after decades of service. And while many fans still miss the Impala's bold styling and smooth ride, GM has shifted its focus away from sedans and toward SUVs, trucks, and electric vehicles, which are where the market demand is. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I saw a video showing the 2026 Impala convertible with gull-wing doors and a V8 engine. Yeah, those videos. They're using AI-generated images, concept art, or artist renderings, not official photos or real prototypes. Don't get me wrong, some of these designs are incredible, but they come from enthusiasts and designers, not from Chevrolet engineers. Here's the deal. Bringing back the Impala, especially as a convertible, would be a huge challenge for General Motors. For starters, the sedan market is shrinking. People want more space, more utility, and more tech, which is why SUVs and trucks are dominating sales. Secondly, converting the Impala into a drop top would require major engineering changes, reinforcing the chassis, redesigning the roof structure, and reworking the interior packaging. All of this costs money, and unless there's strong demand, GM isn't going to invest millions into a nostalgic project. Now, could we see an electric Impala in the future? Some have speculated that maybe GM will bring the nameplate back as an EV, perhaps based on the same platform as the Cadillac Celestiq or the upcoming Silverado EV. But again, that's pure speculation. There's no official word from GM about any kind of revival, electric or otherwise. Look, I get it. The idea of a modern Impala convertible is sexy. It combines American muscle, retro style, and open-air freedom. And hey, if GM did bring it back, even as a limited-run special edition, it would definitely turn heads. But until we get official confirmation, we should treat all these videos and articles with a healthy dose of skepticism. Because at the end of the day, this is what happens when you mix nostalgia, AI art, and a passionate fan base. Until then, enjoy the dream. Maybe one day we'll see a new era of the Impala, whether electric, sporty, or even a convertible. But for now, keep your eyes on the road and your dreams in high gear. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the world of cars. And if you'd love to see a full breakdown of what a modern Impala could be, electric or gas-powered, drop a comment below. Until next time, stay curious, stay classy, and keep that engine running.